our relationship with Red Hat starts very early when Red Hat came into India, and since the early stages we have been working with Red Hat. See, Red Hat primarily we are working in three areas. One is platform, where you have server operating systems. Then we have virtualization, which has come up recently 4-5 years back, and then then middleware, where JBoss has become one of their core focus areas. Red Hat helps both in top line and bottom line. I'll explain why. See, one, if I go with Red Hat, they have the full core of services now. Like they have platform, they have middleware, they have virtualization, they have cloud. So you can give full platform to be provided by Red Hat. On top of that, you can give your services. Like we have got a finance client where we are maintaining all the Red Hat servers. If there is some development on LAMP platform or JBoss platform, since we are preferred partner, we are giving Red Hat services, they prefer to go along with development through us also. So as a combined, and then they have a very strong deal registration. Once I register a deal with Red Hat, then Red Hat works very closely with us. They don't go with any other partner for those organizations, and they incentivize very heavily on any deals which has a large value proposition. So you get good backends, you get good incentives, and even Red Hat is ready to invest a lot on pre-sales. So if there is some pre-sales required, if some organization wants to set up a lab, Red Hat helps totally in that. Red Hat is a subscription and services based business. So that is a long term business. If you are taking a proprietary technology, it is a license business. So once an organization takes a license, then for 7-8 years they don't require anything, and normally services are done in house.